In this part of our regular video tutorial on the outdoor mapping app Locus Map, we'll cover the basics of navigating to your chosen destination. Unlike conventional car navigation, Locus Map can take you virtually anywhere, even off the beaten track. You can choose your destination in a variety of ways. Directly on the map, where you can tap on a selected point of interest, by holding your finger on the map to mark any location. You can select a destination in your saved points. You can also find it using the search. You've selected your destination, so click the navigation button. The route appears in the route planner, where you can edit it or change your activity or mode of transportation. When you're done, tap the Start button on the top bar. Configurable information panels display the distance to your destination, estimated time of arrival, and other parameters. When you reach your destination, you can manually end the navigation, or it will end automatically. It depends on your settings. If you want to learn more about Locus Map outdoor navigation, follow our channel or visit our website at www.locusmap.app.